Hi, this is Mike Braico with Integrated Media Technologies at NAB 2011. I'm here with Scott Katzenoff with Haivision Corporation. Scott, what are you guys announcing at NAB 2011 that's interesting that clients should know about?
Well, this is the 2-year anniversary of the most powerful and famous high-performance encoder. This encoder encodes video at under 50 milliseconds, and we can move video anywhere across the network in under 1/10 of a second by pairing this with one of our decoders. In addition to that, everything we're doing is based on multi-stream recording. So whether you're in a hospital or you're in a simulation area or you're in a classroom and you want to have multiple camera views, our video furnace system, we've introduced multi-stream synchronized recording. That is, you can have multiple streams coming from multiple sources, all coming together to a server in a perfectly synchronized way, so that when you go back to the video, you can go back to bookmarks and you can scrub through that video with all of the video streams presented in front of you in a very nice interface. That's called multi-stream synchronized recording and playback. That's the big news here today.
So Scott, you purchased Cool Signs, and then your company struck a partnership with Kodak to create displays that have embedded systems in them. Could you tell me just a little bit more about the Kodak displays and the Kodak partnership?
So Kodak is really, as you said, the partnership that has made this small display signage product possible. They made this device for the consumer market. We looked at it and said, wow, that's a digital sign. And so immediately we went to work with Kodak to build a signage player software into this wireless device. So now the player is contained in the sign. No more do you have to find a separate computer at the edge to drive the display. These can go into remote locations like cashier stations, lavatories, right? End caps at grocery stores, anywhere you need to target messages on a one-to-one basis. This is the most portable and least costly endpoint you can imagine. Obviously, an endpoint that's 42 or 50 inches is going to cost several thousands of dollars. But this guy costs $400 in a 7-inch form factor and $500 retail price in a 10-inch form factor.
Wow, Scott, so these are $400 or $500 depending on the size of the system, and they actually have a computer built into it that will play out. You don't need the display and a computer anymore.
That's exactly right, and the beauty too is that once you power it, it's wireless, so you don't have to run Ethernet to it. You can run this over your 802.11 or G or N wireless network. And also, you don't need a server on site. So if you've got a building with 100 or 200 or 1,000 of these, you don't have to be there to control the content that's on that display.
Wow, that is awesome. Thank you very much, Scott. Really appreciate it.
A pleasure. Thank you, Michael. It's great to see you.
Thank you.